Hi guys. Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be filming this no makeup, everyday type situation makeup look for you guys. So if you guys would like to watch, keep watching. If not, click off. That wasn't good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup routine. I already washed and moisturized my face, so the first thing I like to go ahead and do is go in with the Black Girl sunscreen. If you don't use Black Girl sunscreen, what are you doing? I'm sorry if I like clear my throat or I'm like breathing heavy. I think I'm a little sick. The little kids at my job, I think either somebody up at my job got me sick. They hate their lives and they're lonely. No energy for nobody. I probably sound like a frog. No energy for nobody. Anyway, the pencil I'm gonna be, or not pencil, but this is the NYX Lift and Snatch brow tint pen in the color I think it's an espresso. Yeah, espresso. And I'm just gonna use this to to go ahead and add. I don't really need a whole lot of stuff with the brows, but we're just gonna fill in where it could be a little sharper. I've been really into natural brows lately, the whole bushy effect, but I'm just really scared to get my brows laminated because I feel like at that point there's no going back. And so I guess, because I mean, lamination, the brow lamination, actually I think it's just relaxing your brows, honestly, and it makes them like super straight like a relaxer does. But I'm just scared that it's just not gonna look right. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro. I still use this, I'm sorry, at least under my brows. I'm still gonna do it. Sorry to who that offends, but I'm still gonna do it. I'll be back when I'm doing my brows because it's taking way too long. So I'll be back. Well, I carved out my brows, just the bottom, with that concealer, and that was in the color Dark Cocoa. And everything that I'm using is going to be in the description bar below if I do not say the shades and stuff now. I'm so sorry. I'm a lady. I'm trying to be a lady. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out just underneath here. It's because, you know, we want a nice beautiful transition. So for primer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just going to use like this much. Like, you can't even that much, because I don't need a lot. I feel like it's all vibes and skin, you know, like it's all vibes and skin. We're gonna go ahead and take this concealer right here, and this is like my ride or die. She's been with me before I graduated high school. It's crazy. This stuff is amazing, personally. That's just me though. So I'm gonna put some, oh my gosh, this thing is, damn, okay. I didn't think it was so out. Okay. It's time to buy a new one. Right here. Right there. This is me. Hi. I'm not too sure if I should go in with the big one or the small, because I have both of these. These are both from, I was lying. One is from e.l.f., one is from AOA Studio. I did this makeup look yesterday for one of my appointments. I was going to school, and I liked the turnout. Okay, it's not that it's not blending. Actually, let me just try to stick it through. Trust the process, if you will. I don't feel like it's blending like this little guy does, so we're gonna, yeah. Okay. Okay. For this one, I'm literally gonna take my hand and blend it out. Because it doesn't take all of that. It literally doesn't take all of that. I'm gonna switch gears a little bit. Instead of the rubbing circular motion, I'm just gonna use patting motions. Just take whatever's left on my brush, press it into the skirt. Now I'm gonna take another concealer, and it is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And we're literally gonna take the smallest drop because it's supposed to be no makeup. Do you see how you can't even see it? This is just gonna make us look awake. It'll make us look we're not even sick, okay? It's really just been so long since I filmed, and you know why? I ask myself the same question every single day. I just feel like if I'm being honest, I make excuses for myself, and I'll be like, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that, but like sometimes you really just have to go do it, because if not when, if not now, then when? You know what I mean? So literally, because I don't really need any more cool contour because I didn't put any foundation or anything. I literally don't need to. I don't even need to use this, but we're gonna use this still. And just see. I'm gonna blend that and keep it right there. It may look crazy now, but again, just the process. I feel like it looks a little crazy because it's lighting, but let me show you with the lighting off. Let me turn it off. This is natural lighting. That is like infused lighting. But yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and blush it up. I love blush. Okay. This is the e.l.f. I don't know, the e.l.f. Putty blush. I don't remember the color, but again, everything's gonna be in the description bar, and I'm just gonna put that kind of like right over my contour. And I know, why aren't you bronzing? I will. I was just about to do that. But since this is cream to powder, I like to put this first. I'm gonna go in with the Laurel. Why can I say her today? Y'all know who I'm talking about. I'm gonna go in with her, and I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna go in with the slightest amount because I really don't even need a lot. But I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier, thank you, powder, and I'm gonna go just literally right under my eye, and then right here. And I'm gonna take a little bit on my eyelids just to set them. Oh, whoa, that's a lot. Just to set them. So yeah, so once you set those areas, now I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier, the big gal. That was a small gal, just a big gal. And this is in the color medium deep, and I'm gonna take this everywhere else. I'm taking a regular fluffy brush, and I'm lightly setting it, okay? I'm not going crazy because we don't need to. I thought I'm gonna have this powder for years and years because I don't OD. Like, it was never gonna be me to OD. Things to do. Then I'm gonna take my Band from America palette, James Charles palette, because I use this color in here to bronze. Damn, okay. This color, I use this color right here to bronze my face. It just makes me look so nice and warm and just beautiful. And again, we are not gonna contour because what did we already do? We literally already contoured. I'm not gonna lie, Adele ate on her album. Like, I know that was really random, but that's what's currently playing. How did we get here? I do not know. So I went ahead and contoured my nose, right? Then I'm gonna take this, and you can't see what it is, but this is the NYX. Can I see? This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder. And let me tell you something about this one. We're gonna use it, but we're gonna literally somewhere. We're gonna barely tap into this like that. And I have to be careful with this because this is a bit on the warmer side. So you gotta be really careful. I really hope this lighting is okay, guys, because I'm not filming this again. I'm gonna go ahead and add back my beauty mark. I'm debating on lashes today. I feel like lashes really do it for me. This is the Essence Lash and Brow gel. So you can use it on your lashes. You can use this on your lashes, or you can use this on your, you know what I'm saying. You can use it on your lashes, or you can use it on your brows. It depends on the day for me. Sometimes I use it on my brow. Sometimes I'll use it on the lashes. Today, lashes. So while that's happening, we're gonna go in with our setting spray. Do you think I forgot? We're going with our Ebin New York Air Powered Dewy Finish Makeup Spray. I usually use this a lot during the summertime, but it's fall, so I've been on the more matte side. But for the sake of the everyday wear, we're gonna go with Dewy. So if there's anything left. Oh, it was cold. It's really cold. While that is drying and my lash stuff is drying, do my lips. For lips, I'm gonna take this brown. This is just a generic brown lip pencil from the beauty supply, honestly. And then I'm gonna go in with a dash of the butter gloss in the color Slide Toffee. Again, everything that I use is gonna be in the description bar below, and I hope I'm not lying to y'all. I'm just gonna literally dab it. And I'm gonna go in with my Mentha lip tint by Bath and Body Works. This is the mascara by AOA. It's called their Skinny. It's just called Skinny. It's called Skinny Underlash Mascara, and this is for underlashes. But I was in love because look at this microscopic little wand. Can you guys see it? This microscopic wand. And I try to hurry up with this because I don't want it to like dry on it. Well, I want it to dry, but I just feel like this helps coat like all of my, I feel like it really helps. Then I go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Volume, and then I quickly try to comb through that so that it doesn't look like clumpy. That's her. Then last but not least, I'm gonna go in, if I can find it, because I don't see it. Did I lose it? I think I lost it. I'm looking for a particular item. Oh, look. This is the Laura Mercier Strapless Caviar Stick Eye Color. And it can be used as an eye color. I personally, though, like to use it right here and right there. For what? Highlight. And that is literally my makeups. So yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys subscribe. Get together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved filming for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I think it looks pretty good. Of course, lighting is a little off, but we're working on that. We're working on that. I just, in this angle, like it's literally, hold on, literally. But anyway, yeah, well, without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Oh, okay, that did not work out.